Hello everybody present there. I am Vedant Khurki.
I am Ayush Deshmukh.
And I am Animesh Sharma.
We are the students of Jawaharlal Nehru School, PHL Bhopal. We consider ourselves lucky enough to be a part of this competition and thank God for this opportunity.
Education is an ornament in prosperity and a refuge in adversity.
Today, we are presenting our solution on our theme Explore Space.
We have created an application which covers the topic about inner and outer space. In this application, we have created several pages which provide information and facts about space, and also we have an interesting quiz about each topic.
Our aim is to create awareness and interest among students about space. We have several videos and images that will help students visualize the topic.
We have used Android Studio, which is an open source platform, to create our application.
The functionalities and salient features of our application are user-friendly interface, quizzes, and better visualization through videos and images.
Here comes our application. This is the splash screen. Now we have the first page of our application from where you will start exploring space. Now we have covered two topics, inner space and outer space. First we will look at inner space. We have three topics in inner space: the sun, the planets, belts and comet. First, let us have a look at it. Sun. We have first the information about comparison with Earth. Then we have layers of sun which are briefly explained. Now we will jump on to planets. We have 8 planets and 2 dwarf planets. The 2 dwarf planets which we have covered are Pluto and Ceres. Now we will look at belts. We have 2 belts in our solar system, the asteroid belt and the Kuiper belt. Now there are some information about comets like Halley's and Neowise. Now let us move on to outer space. Here we have covered 4 topics: nebula, clusters, galaxies and black holes. First we will go on to nebula. We have diffuse nebula, planetary nebula, cat's eye nebula, emission nebula, ring nebula, reflection nebula and dark size and absorption nebula, and also supernova remnant. Now we will get back to our outer space page and we will look at clusters. In clusters we have first open clusters, then globular clusters. Now we have covered 2 clusters here. Now we will jump to galaxies and we will look what are their topics. Now in galaxies we have Barrett spiral, then we have Milky Way galaxy, then Andromeda galaxy, spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, lenticular galaxies. We also have quiz on these topics. Now we will look at how these quizzes are designed. This quiz consists of questions based on the topics which we have covered in our app. Now suppose you will answer one of these questions, like I have answered here randomly as Saturn. Now you can clearly submit your answer and responses. Now this will ask you about your email. The journey of 1000 codes begins with a single goal.
As soon as we got to know about this competition, we were very enthusiastic to start working upon it without losing even a single moment. So we started working upon it earnestly.
There were many ups and downs during the journey. 2 were the major ones. The first was the application crash and the second was the major manifest error. But we kept our hopes alive and worked upon it. And at last we succeeded at creating an application.
My role in this project was to design the user interface of our application.
My role in the project was to create backend of different pages of the application.
My role in this project was to collect images, videos, and all the information that are needed to be inserted in the application.